Here, you can see a magic expand output with some visible differences around the edges. In this video, I'll show you how to remove these mismatches and make the image look seamless in Hippist. We start by clicking the Keep Editing button. Then, to select the area, we open the Brush tool and carefully brush over the mismatched areas and the frame lines, avoiding the product itself. Next, in the History section, we copy the prompt we originally used to generate this model and paste it back into the prompt box. After that, we click Apply and wait for it to generate. As you can see, the mismatched areas and frame lines have disappeared. There's also a second method. Brush over those areas again and this time type Even Out Skin Tone into the prompt box. Click Apply and once generated, you'll see that the skin tone is now evenly blended in the output.